going on, everybody? It's your boy K1K, and I'm back in this thing as usual on another little moto vlog here with some amazing news. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the bike off right now to my boys at Track Ready, David and John. Gonna get all the stuff swapped over that we discussed in a previous video, and we are going to be patiently awaiting Woolich to finish up the final touches on the software, guys. Talking to them, they are expecting it to be done within a week or two. So we're gonna go ahead and rip the power commander and stuff out so it's already done, and I'll just ride around and cruise and chill until then. But I don't want to have to do it again later. I want to be able to just get it straight to being tuned and going from there. But this time I think we're gonna go ahead and throw some MR12 spices in there and see what she does that way too, and we'll go from there. But I'm super excited about this. It's been a long time coming. Those that had the ZX10s for a minute, 6 gens, you know, they're waiting on this for a minute. So glad to hear that, like, it's finally almost there, man. Finally almost there. So excited about that. But yeah, headed over there now. Gonna have him put on the stuff. And those that's new to the channel, I'm ended up getting a 520 chain conversion, the EK3D, and Vortex aluminum sprockets in the rear. Obviously the front's still steel, but I'm staying 17 in the front and I'm dropping the 40 tooth in the rear. I want to get a little bit more mile an hour up top and reduce some of this bottom end power, because you guys know this has a 41 tooth rear stock, and so this thing is peppy, man. It wants to wheelie a lot. I'm still on stock wheelbase, and which is to be determined if I'm going to put an arm on it or not. But I'm also getting the Brock's lower links installed, the window link. We are dropping the front some also. We do have the strap kit already installed on the bike, so got the Brock strap kit already on, and a couple of little goodies there, steering damper, and a couple of little small things I'm probably forgetting about. But yeah, man, super excited about this. Can't wait to get it all on there and go from there. But as far as trying to make events out here in the summertime and spring and all that, it's gonna be difficult, I'll admit, because of travel, man. I work remotely a lot in different locations in my line of work, so I gotta ride as much as I can when I can, type deal. And I'm going to be going on business travel here shortly in the next about a month or so. So I am going to miss some stuff, unfortunately. And I already know I'll probably be back late July. We had to hit up a couple of events in the summertime before going back out in the fall. So I'll be back up off this truck, getting rocks and stuff spit on me. But yeah, so I'm hoping I'll be able to make some stuff. I know the Nashville meetup is supposedly around May. I'm for sure going to miss that, which sucks, because Nashville is amazing. I never got a chance to ride out there, but just being in Nashville is awesome. It's a nice atmosphere. It's cool out there. I love it. Riding with no mirrors so far it's an adjustment. I'm not gonna lie. I usually I'm not gonna say I'm paranoid, but I like to see what's behind me. So I usually check my mirrors to make sure nobody's riding me super hard, because I can speed up or whatever the case may be. But it's all good. I just have to head check more often, which is fine. I do head check all the time before switching lanes. You know, I don't trust my mirrors when it comes to that, but as far as just having somebody up on me, I like to be able to know that somebody's up on me. It's like a soul, guys, like a soul. She definitely rides super smooth compared to the Flash, and I'm not trying to badmouth brand guys, but the Flash was just, it didn't cooperate with me for some reason. I don't know. It seemed like the first week or so I had it, I didn't notice no problems, but at the same time I didn't ride very long distance once I got flashed at first. You know, but it seems like once my cooling fan comes on, the bike enriches itself so much that it doesn't like to run or misfires a lot. You know, I don't know, you know, I have to assume it's something in the ECU, because I flashed it back to stock, didn't do it, you know. I messed with the power commander, disabled it, took it all the way out, and kept the flash, didn't do it, you know. So it's not the power commander, it's definitely something in the ECU parameter. So The next step that I was told to do is to disable the O2 sensor, disconnect it, and see what it does. But I had already sent my ECU to Woolich at that point, so they could, you know, test their writing process and everything on it and readouts. So I didn't even bother. And now Woolich is pretty much about to be out, so I'm like, forget it, man. I'll just I'll just flash it in stock, which I already did, and we'll just wait for Woolich and we'll start from scratch and should be good. So, and like I said, I don't want to badmouth Brent Tuning at all. Like, you know, they do an amazing job. Obviously, you know, they haven't gotten this far if they haven't been. But, you know, these flashes that are off the shelf are designed to try to be used as a, you know, a general use. It's not specified for your bike, your exact mods and everything. They get it as close as they can, you know, but unfortunately sometimes there's little issues here and there when you do that. So they were responding and working with me. You know, I just didn't finish the troubleshooting process because I had sent my ECU off. So no harm on that, man. There's plenty of people that have zero issues, you know, so still don't be scared to try them out if you want to do the flash option. But obviously a custom tune for your bike is way better than it is getting an off-the-shelf map. So I would recommend considering that over anything, you know. But as far as just flashes right now, it's Brent and SLR. But once Woolich comes out, there's going to be tons of people. EJR, everybody is going to be offering flashes for this. So you'll have more options too if you'd rather stick with somebody that's more known in the Kawasaki realm. Obviously Brent is huge on BMWs, and the newer BMWs are amazing. They have that you know, pretty much that self-tuning system where it can correct about 10 to 15% air fuels on its own, man. So you can get those close and the bike will finish it off itself, which is awesome. You know, I really wish other makes would start considering that. And, you know, obviously the S1000 is not a super expensive bike like some of these Ducatis and stuff like that. So the base S1000 is actually the same price as this. So hopefully Kawasaki gets on board and some of the other Japanese makes and start including that, because that's something that needs to be done across the board, no doubt. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, y'all. I appreciate all the support I've been getting. Gonna start doing a little bit of more YouTube shorts and stuff too, because it seems like people are really liking that. And get just quick videos of the bike doing heads, exhaust, notes, just different things, cover different install stuff. But appreciate it, y'all. Y'all have a good one. All right, later.